Wait, there is something inside the map. Jace, look. This one has your blue star sticker.
The game starts soon, but this ticket was already used.
Already used? But this is my first big football game.
Please check again. We bought 4 family tickets together.
Stay with me, Jace. We will find the answer before we get upset.
Move faster. Some of us do not want to miss the game.
He cannot just push in front of everyone because he is late.
Do not block the gate, kid. Let people go in.
Dad, his ticket looks like mine. What if our tickets got mixed up?
Maybe, but maybe is not proof. We ask for help and look for clues.
Excuse me, sir. That man moved in front of the line and bumped into us.
Sir, please return to your place in line. Everyone must wait in order. Fine. I will go back, but this line is too slow.
You did the right thing. You asked for help, and you stayed safe.
Jace, your ticket has red sauce on it. Did it always look like that? Wait, my ticket had a small blue star sticker on the back.
This looks like the same kind of ticket, but it may not be your ticket.
We have 3 clues now. The red light, the sauce, and the missing star.
Please go to Ticket Help. They can check your ticket.
What if we cannot go inside? I waited so long for this day.
We are not giving up at the gate. We will solve this one clue at a time. This ticket was used earlier at an outside gate, but it is not Jace's ticket.
So I have the wrong ticket. Then where is my real ticket?
Our 3 tickets are still good, so only Jace's ticket is strange.
The sauce clue matters. We stopped near the food stand before the line. I had my ticket in my hand when Dad gave me the stadium map.
Then that man bumped my arm, and papers fell near my shoes.
Maybe he took my real ticket when he bumped me.
Maybe is not proof, Jace. We need to find the real clue. Look carefully, then come back here. We can help you enter with the right ticket.
If my real ticket fell here, maybe it is still hiding near the stand.
I see napkins and cups, but I do not see a ticket with your blue star.
This used ticket may have been on the ground before Jace picked it up.
Excuse me, did anyone turn in a blue ticket with a small star sticker?
Sorry, I do not see that ticket here, but keep checking your papers.
The game is getting louder, and my ticket is getting farther away.
You are scared, but you are still thinking. That is very brave.
Maya, can I see the map? It looks thicker than before.
Wait, there is something inside the map. Jace, look. This one has your blue star sticker. That is my real ticket. It was hiding in the map the whole time.
When the man bumped us, your ticket slipped into the map, and you picked up the used one.
I was wrong. I blamed him too fast.
It is good that you can say that. A calm heart can see more clearly.
Case solved. The real villain was a folded stadium map. I will keep this ticket safe now. No more mystery in my hand.
This is the correct ticket. You can enter through the family gate now.
We found it. We can still see the game together.
Welcome in. Please follow the signs to your seating section.
The gate was behind them now, but the stadium still had one more puzzle.
This place is like a giant city. Everyone is here for football.
This time we read every part. Section C, Upper C, Aisle 14, Row 26R.
Gate C is on the left, but Section C is on the right. We need the section.
We walk, we stay close, and we do not let the crowd pull us apart.
Was that the whistle? Did the game start without us?
Yes, the game has started, but we can still find our seats and enjoy most of it.
I want to run, but I know running will only make another problem.
Here is Section C, but now we must choose Lower C or Upper C.
The ticket says Upper C. If we go lower, we will be lost again.
Good eyes, Maya. Small words are saving this big day again.
I can see the field now. It is not TV anymore. It is real.
Aisle 14 should be close. We need to count the aisle numbers carefully.
Those are our numbers, but people are already sitting there.
Aisle 14. This clue is finally on our side. Now we need row 26R, so we walk down slowly and check every row.
23, 24, 25. Our row is next. Those are our numbers, but people are already sitting there.
This side says row 26L. We need row 26R. There is the R side. We are close, but we are on the wrong half.
This ticket is like a treasure map with tiny traps.
We move carefully now. Other people are watching the game too.
Was that almost a goal? Ugh. My heart jumped before I even sat down.
Seat 4 is yours, Jace. The mystery is finally over.
I am sitting here. I really made it to my first big football game.
Watch that player on the side. He is helping even without touching the ball. So football is not only the ball, it is also the space and the team.
Drink a little water. Big feelings need small breaks too.
Here, detective. You solved the ticket case, so you earned some popcorn. Thank you. I could not solve it without your smart eyes.
Here comes a fast play. Keep your eyes on the pass.
Please, please, make the shot. I want to see one goal today.
It went in.
Jace, you saw your first stadium goal.
I saw it. I really saw it. This is the loudest happy sound in the world.
That goal felt special because we worked hard to reach this seat together.
I almost blamed someone too fast, but the clues helped me slow down.
A calm heart can see more cleckily than an angry heart.
Final case note. The ticket was lost, the map was guilty, and the family won. This day was not perfect, but now it feels even better.
Jace came to watch football, but he also learned how to stay fair and calm.
Stay close, team. We solved one big stadium, and now we go home together.
This little ticket took me on a bigger adventure than I expected.
Keep it safe. It is not just a ticket now. It is part of our family story.
That night, Jace learned one thing. A great game is not only on the field, it is also in a family that stays kind and together,